The Master of Legal Studies program is intended for mid-career professionals who would find that some knowledge of the law is going to be helpful with their work. That could be people such as folks who work in the healthcare industry, insurance, real estate, or government. It's a non-professional 30-credit master's degree. Does not qualify you to be a lawyer or sit for the bar examination, but for the right person, it's a degree that makes a lot of sense. The Master of Legal Studies degree is open to anyone who has earned a first degree, a bachelor's degree, whether a Bachelor of Arts or a Bachelor of Science, and who has demonstrated in their career that they have the aptitude and the abilities to succeed. So the real benefit of going through the Master of Legal Studies program is you will be able to do a couple of things better than people who don't have that degree. First, you're really going to understand a lot of what lawyers are trying to communicate to you if you work with lawyers. You're going to understand the lingo. These are terms of art in law that you will be familiar with. There will be legal concepts that you will be familiar with. So your ability to communicate and work with lawyers, if that's required in your job, is really going to be enhanced. The other benefit is there are going to be areas of law that you may need to deal with in your work that, again, you will now be familiar with. If you're dealing with insurance, with real estate, with governmental regulations of various sorts, there's a lot of that you will have covered in your Master of Legal Studies degree, and you're going to be able to work in those areas much better than other people who have not had that training. So the difference between the Master of Legal Studies and the JD is that the JD, which is 90 credits as compared to the 30 credits for the Master of Legal Studies, is a professional degree recognized by the American Bar Association that qualifies someone who completes the program to sit for the bar exam, whether in Ohio or in some other state. The Master of Legal Studies degree, while you're taking courses, the same courses as the JD students, it is not a professional degree. It is a master's degree. You're learning about the law. You're not learning to be a lawyer. Master of Legal Studies students really are free to select a concentration of courses based on what will work best for them in their professional career. So for example, someone in the healthcare industry would be able to take a number of courses in healthcare law that we have here at the law school and look at courses elsewhere at Cleveland State that might make sense for them. Someone who is concentrating in real estate could take our courses here in property law, our courses in land use regulation, our real estate transaction course. They could also then take courses in the College of Business in real estate finance, in leasing real property. And so those are just a couple of examples of the way students can put together a concentration of courses here that really makes sense for them.